As of April 3rd, 2020, my total investments were around 14,900 and current value 15,100. That's a total return of approximately 1.1%. Month on month compared to last month, I believe it was 6th of March, I am down 8.3%. But I would call this a win for myself because I faced my first bear market with complete full preparation. Going into this year, I did expect that the markets were overextended, so I did increase my bond position as written earlier and slowly adjusted into more balanced funds. Now, uh, yeah, since the writing of my recent blog post, so the US market has been down since last Friday, over 27% from its peak. So, in comparison, my money is doing okay. The small reduction is mainly due to three actions that I've taken during the month, which is increase my investments by 190 ringgit. I maintain a diversified portfolio, stocks, bonds, gold, REITs, and I also switched some of my balance position on StashAway to an all stocks position. Now, in the coming months, I do plan to continue increasing my investments. What I'm looking at is increasing my exposure in Asia, mainly in stocks and fixed income. I can do that by buying the unit trust fund RHB Asia Income, and I believe that now is a good time for me to be more aggressive in my positioning because prices are cheap right now. Well, they're cheaper than they used to were, but won't say it's less than fair value. I think it's fair value, reasonably, and I'm comfortable doing this because of two things. I know my end goal, which is to retire around the age of 65 with 3 million ringgit. And if I can adjust that well, I can cut down the time needed for me to retire. Second is I know how markets work. Over the long term, markets reflect the businesses, the companies in that specific country or region, say in the US or Asia. So 40 years from now, what I would expect is that the companies there would be earning more in profits because people there would have more higher incomes. So this all builds up to a steadily expanding economies. And because of that, this small bear market, oh, it doesn't really bother me that much. Buffett famously said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So I don't encourage you to copy my plans. Of course, this is just a documentation for future reference. But whatever I have done might not be suitable for you or your current financial situation. So I encourage that if you want to learn how to grow your money, always start investing in yourself. Read, watch videos. That's how I started. Get involved in the markets. I'll buy in a low risk way. And then once you have that knowledge, you can start to create your target, which is your retirement goals, and then create a plan to work towards that. That's more or less about it for this documentary of my investment performance as of March 2020. First bear market ever.